how to answer or decline an incoming call on the iPhone 16 series. So here, to answer the incoming call, what you want to do is on the red or the green button, you need to tap on it. So tapping on the green button will allow you to accept and answer the call. During the call, if you want to end the call, just tap on the end button. And if you want to decline a call, just tap on the decline button right here, and this will allow you to decline the call on the phone. If you want to silence the call but do not want to decline the call, you can press on the volume button. Pressing on the volume button will silence the call, but it will not decline the call. Otherwise, you can also tap on message, and in here you can reply to your incoming call instead of answering it. So here you can say, "Can I call you later?" And that will quickly send a message to the sender. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.